Okay, so I'm going to show you how I clean my brushes. Hello everyone. First I'll get this cleaning pad here. It's got all nodules on it and the suction pads to stick to the sink. Just trying to find the right precision so you can see. That should do it. Press it down well. Now I'm going to sort my brushes out for me ready to clean, remove the cloths. Yep, that's quite a few. Now I'm going to get this regular hand soap. That one's from Lidl, but any hand soap will do. Yep, that's the hand soap again. Run the tap. I try not to get it too hot, but mixer taps are a pain. Then I'm going to wet my brush, turn off the tap to save water, pop on a few squirts of the soap onto the pad and a bit on the brush for some reason, and then I'll swirl my brush on the pad, and it looks like I'm using a lot of force, but actually I'm not. I'm just trying to get a better grip on the brush. And rinse it underwater, just give it a quick rinse for now. Try not to get water in the barrel. And look how clean it is, and it's effortless. So I'm going to clean the rest of my brushes and speed this thing along, and then I'll come back when I do the next bit. Now I'm just going to detach the scrubby thing from the sink and just rinse it through, and then pop it on the edge of the sink to dry. Now I'm going to be rinsing off my brushes just to give them a proper rinse to get rid of all the soap. So I'm going to speed this bit up. So now what I'm going to do is get this microfiber cloth, and I just dry off the excess water from the brushes, and it really does reduce the drying time. So I'm going to just speed this through. So I'll be back with you in a moment. Okay, so I've just got a clean tea towel out of the drawer, and I'm going to pop this folded in half onto a flat surface. I'm going to move the camera around in just a second. And all I'm doing is just putting the brushes onto this cloth so I can leave them overnight or longer if they take longer to dry because of bigger, fluffier brushes. And that's it, that's done. That will take 2 days, that one. But most of these just take 24 hours. And that is the end of the video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Please do all the good stuff and all of that. This is a voiceover, so I've got to be quick with what I'm doing on screen. I will see you next time. Goodbye everyone.